Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you Dopiaza chicken curry. It's very tasty and very delicious. Dopiaza means 2 onions and it's added at a different interval. First step will be the marination, the second step will be the tadka, and the third step will be adding a second onion. And let's start with the ingredients. Organic chicken, it's a 4 pound, 1 cup dahi, 2 teaspoon ginger, garlic, green chili paste, coriander powder, 2 teaspoon, degi mirch, 2 teaspoon, salt, 2 teaspoon. The second step will be for tadka, 3 tablespoon olive oil, 2 teaspoon ginger, garlic, green chili paste, 2 teaspoon cumin seed. You can use any color of onion. For the first step, I'm using white onion. It will be 1 onion and tomato sauce, 1 cup. The final step is I'm using red onion cut into cube-sized pieces, 1 tablespoon kasuri methi, fenugreek leaves, 2 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon dry mint is pudina. And let's start making our delicious Dopiaza chicken curry. Get a large mixing bowl. First step will be, we'll add dahi, I'll add salt, degi mirch, coriander powder, ginger, garlic, green chili paste. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, I'll add chicken. What I've done with the chicken drumstick, I make 2 cuts on each drumstick. Mix it well. We're going to make sure that all the pieces are nicely covered with our marination. Once all the pieces are nicely coated with the marination, when it comes to marination, it's always better you do it overnight or at least a couple hours. Cover with the lid and we'll put it in the fridge for 1 hour. Get a big karahi and start gas and keep the gas on high. I'll add olive oil. As the oil start to heat up, I'll add cumin seed, jeera. Cook it for 10 seconds. I'll add ginger, garlic, green chili paste. And we're going to cook for 20 seconds. We just want the garlicky flavor to go with it. This is looking good. I'll add onion. Mix it well. We're going to cook our onions until they are nicely transparent. Onions are nicely translucent. I'll add tomato sauce. Mix it well. We're going to cook tomato sauce with tadka for 1 minute. So keep moving, cooking tadka for 1 minute. I will add the chicken. Chicken has been marinated for 1 hour. Mix it well. Once the chicken is nicely combined with tadka, on high gas, we're going to cook for 5 minutes. So keep moving so it won't get burned. On high gas, cooking for 5 minutes. Now, I'll bring the gas to medium. After mixing it well, spread it evenly, cover with the lid, and we'll cook it for 20 minutes. On medium gas, cooking for 20 minutes, I opened it every 5 minutes and I stir it, mix it. After mixing it well, I'll add garam masala, mint, mix it well. Once the garam masala and mint is nicely combined, cover with the lid and we're going to cook it for 3 minutes. Another 3 minutes of cooking. After adding garam masala and mint, I'm going to mix it again. Now I will add onion. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, I'll add kasuri methi, fenugreek leaf, and rub it. If there is any strand, we can pull it out. After adding kasuri methi, cover with the lid, and we're going to cook for 5 minutes. Another 5 minutes of cooking on medium gas. Mix it. Mix it well. Our chicken Dopiaza is all ready. This is a perfect gravy. We haven't added any water. If you need a running gravy, you always can add water. But this is semi-dry, like a Rasva. Dopiaza chicken is all ready. And I'm going to turn off the gas. I have my serving bowl ready, and I'm going to dish out. Look at that. Delicious Dopiaza chicken curry. Let me share with you. Our delicious and tasty Dopiaza chicken curry is all ready. Please try it. This is very tasty and delicious recipe. Please comment below how it turned out for you. And like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.